Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to send bulk email with Omnisend. Now, bulk emailing is one of the most important things when it comes to reaching your audience, whether you're running a business, promoting something, or just trying to stay connected with your subscribers. And the good thing about Omnisend is that it makes this whole process really simple, even if you're a complete beginner. We're going to go through everything step by step, so you don't get confused at any point. I'll show you how to set things up, what each section does, and how to make sure your emails actually reach the right people. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to send bulk emails properly, and you'll be able to start using it for your own campaigns right away, without any stress. So just follow along, and let's get started. First thing we want to do is go to the left side of the screen and click the one that says Campaign. A campaign is basically a one-time passage message you send to your audience, like an email or SMS. It's used to promote something, share updates, or reach your subscribers all at once. After that, we will click the option that says Create Campaign, then we will click the one that says Email because we want to send the bulk message with an email. After that, a new screen appears where it lets us customize our email that will be sent. After finishing up, we will click the one that says Choose Email Template, which is our next step of the process. After that, we will choose the type of template we want that goes with our plan. After that, we will click Use Template, which appears after hovering over the template we want. Then it takes us to a new screen where we can edit our template. If we like what we see, we will click the one that says Save and choose Recipients. After that, a new screen appears where we choose our email recipient. We can make it either all subscribers or just the ones we want. Or click Let me choose segments. Then after choosing our recipients, click Review Campaign. After confirming the settings we applied, we will click the option that says Send Now. Alright, so that brings us to the end of this tutorial. As you can see, sending bulk emails with Omnisend is actually pretty straightforward once you understand where everything is and how it works. The key is just taking your time, setting things up properly, and making sure your message is clear before sending it out. The more you practice, the better your campaigns will get, and you'll start to see how powerful tools like this can be when it comes to growing your audience and keeping people engaged. So, that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.